लिखें जी, रेडी। द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ अ political project is a serious exertion and requires political actors to be serious in bringing their political project into being. Full stop. This requires comma thinking comma diligence comma planning comma calculating risks comma and taking into consideration strategic dilemmas. Full stop. These points emphasize the fact that bringing into being a political project is not a light or simple matter but requires political actors to be politicians and strategists. Full stop. This is important so that birth is given to a political project. Full stop. As brief in a political project entails that it is executed in the best way possible and that it is perpetual comma meaning that it exists comma survives and is able to overcome any shocks that may arise. Full stop. The reverse to this is a quick abortion comma with the political project coming into being but disappearing suddenly or being emerged in multiple crises that prevent it from realizing its potential. Full stop. This is akin to a tent being put up poorly in harsh weather conditions only if it to be blown over after a short time or not being able to withstand the extreme weathers that faces it. Full stop. If we were to consider Islamic political projects that have sprung up over the last 20 years, comma, one will notice how that they have lacked the thinking and risk management that has been mentioned. Full stop. For example, comma, the Taliban political project, putting aside emotions or affiliations, comma, if it was to be evaluated on the mentioned criteria, did it live up to expectations? Question mark. Did the Taliban show the diligence, comma, planning, comma, awareness and strategic calculations when establishing their political project? Question mark. Did they understood the geopolitical realities at their times? Question mark. Did they understand how to avert political risk? Question mark. Did they understand the existential challenges that they would face or have the ability to forecast such challenges? Question mark. They are important questions that should have been asked by the Taliban in the 1990s before taking Kabul in 1996, comma, as once power is taken, finding answers to such questions becomes problematic as now the focus is towards looking after and managing public affairs. Full stop. Just to answer one of the questions asked, comma, any political project has to think of external security, comma, as global actors who have strategic interests are likely to intervene if strategic interests are threatened or challenged. Full stop. If one was to look to the Taliban army, it was minimal to say the least, that would have no resistance power to prevent Afghanistan borders to be penetrated and being overrun. Full stop. A clear case in point was post 9/11 when Afghanistan was overrun without much capacity to avert this by the Taliban. Full stop. A political project requires this high level of seriousness, which Islamic political movements need to take into consideration. Otherwise, we will continue to hear new political projects being sprung up in Chechnya, Nigeria, Somalia, Waziristan, that will only cause more confusion, as we see with the ISIS phenomena. Full stop. What the Muslim world needs is geopolitical projection and recognition, and this will only come around with a serious political project that will change existing political barometers and add to the strategic landscape, rather than what we see today, or multiple political projects emerging with no political full stop.